To make washes, all you need is water, dish soap, and acrylic paints. For me, black, brown, and green are the most frequently used colors. And of course, your choice of containers. I use needle tip applicator bottles because I can control the flow easier and it can be applied to small areas. The first wash I'm making today is brown wash. I start with black acrylic paint, then add brown paint as needed. There's no strict amount of paint I put in my wash. Different batches of wash might be coming out with different tones, but because the wash is acting sort of like tint, so personally I don't think it affects the result too much. Then I start adding water. I keep testing the wash on paper towel as I'm adding more water until I achieve my expectation, which is lightly tinted paper towel when dried up. Before I bottle up my paint, I adding a few drops of dish soap to help break the surface tension. Label my little drop bottle and the brown wash is ready to go. To mix green wash, you can repeat previous steps by first adding black paint followed by green paint. But here, I'm directly adding green acrylic paint into the leftover brown wash. I don't mind a little earth tone inside my green wash. Just don't forget, the color might look darker when wet, but it will get lighter as it's drying up. I would suggest go lighter when you make your first batch, because you can always brush on a second layer of wash. I mainly use green wash to tint mossy areas before apply the moss effect. And now, let's write on the label and our green wash is ready. Finally, the black wash. For my black wash, instead of plain black tint, I like to add in some hint of earth tone and grass tone, which is brown and green. I repeat the previous steps and go ahead and make a larger portion because I use black wash almost in every single project. And there you have it. This is how I make washes.